Case study, aerospace and defense. Providing test system interconnect reliability. Customer profile. A global major aerospace and defense contractor. Manufacturer of military communication systems and electronics. Mission possible. With 11 identical test stations required, wires were out of the question. Challenges. As an original equipment manufacturer, the customer needed to deploy identical PXI-based test systems to 3 unique sites testing any one of 9 NTISR, non-traditional intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, sub-assemblies. Each site had the ability to manufacture any one of the assemblies and, due to the modular nature of the end product, needed the ability to change the mix of items being manufactured and tested at short notice. To achieve maximum flexibility, the previous approach would have been to provide 9 test stations to each of the 3 locations. This was not desirable for many reasons including cost, time to build and floor space limitations. A better solution was needed. 11 clone test stations. Deployed to 3 testing facilities. Quick build time, performance, and modularity. Build multiple 8 systems using a copy-exact methodology with each system maintaining the same high-performance specifications. Standardized on a PXI approach coupled with an interconnection system that leveraged off PXI modularity, scalability, and flexibility. Solution. Defined a PXI-based core test system that could be easily adapted to suit different test requirements. Used the Scout high-performance interconnect system to capitalize on the PXI value proposition of being modular, scalable, and COTS. Reduced test system build and implementation time from 3 months to 6 weeks. Solution. Being experts in providing high-performance mechanical test interface technologies for PXI-based 8, Mac panel was selected by the customer to deliver test rack interface components that would eliminate error-prone custom cabling and ensure signal integrity throughout the architecture of the test system. Additionally, Mac panel was tasked with ensuring that alternative PXI instruments could be utilized in a particular chassis slot with only minimal disruption to the connectivity to the product being tested. Scout Mass Interconnect. Each site needed to be able to change between testing different sub-assemblies on a regular basis. And it was envisaged that future product enhancements would require rapid test system upgrades using additional PXI instruments. Only Scout could offer this. High-performance connection modules, DACs. Mac panel's dock technology eliminated the need for traditional cabling between the PXI instrumentation and interface by way of dedicated PCB and flex circuit connections. Customer value. The customer's test strategy based on PXI and the Scout Mechanical Interconnect empowered the contractor to deploy 11 test systems with confidence. Each high-performing test station delivered repeatable measurement results no matter which system was in use. The test system architecture enabled seamless integration, reduced time to test deployment, overall increase in flexibility, along with modularity benefits of PXI instrumentation. The modularity and scalability of this approach allowed a core test station strategy to be used in conjunction with individual customization. Furthermore, the success of this new adaptable core tester strategy has now been adopted on additional projects with even greater cost and time savings. With our innovative, customer-driven approach, we successfully reduce the overall cost of test for our customers by specifying better connection methods that dramatically reduce 8 build times and drive up